Here's my birdies. Attack of the killer strawberry.
Whitney, what are you doing in there?
Come on, Whitney.
Come here, please.
Come on. Oh, Whitney. You like that strawberry, Jericho? Wow, look at that. Bubby, you're having a good time, too. Didn't Willow? Come on. Here comes Whitney. Yes.
I'm gonna give Daddy one.
Is that big enough for you? Yes. That's a big strawberry. Oh, be nice, guys. You love strawberries. And what are you doing, Jericho? You're hogging the camera up? Dig in, guys. Dig in. Squawking. Squawking. You love that? Good, Whitney. Good girl. Get a piece of that strawberry. What do you think, Bob? Good.